Are you with me? काय कुणाचा आवाजच आहे ना मला म्हणून म्हटलं काय. So let us see what is smart substation concept. Now you know the substation. What is substation? In substation what we are doing? 11 kV substation we know, 22 kV substation we know, 22 by 11 kV we know, 11 by 400 kV 400 volt 3 phase or 230 volt single phase we know, 33 by 11 kV substation we know, 400 kV by 220 kV substation we know. So many substations we are knowing. What components are there in substation? As far as the conventional substations are there, we know that basic is transformer. Then as far as the substation entry point is concerned, where lines are terminating, so lightning arrestor is there, then circuit breaker is there, then isolator is there, then again circuit breaker is there, then transformer is there, then primary of means primary bus bar is there. So primary bus bar, then you may have again circuit breaker, isolator, circuit breaker and transformer. So in conventional substation we are having incoming circuit breaker, isolator, circuit breaker, bus bar, incoming bus. Then you are having circuit breaker, isolator, circuit breaker, transformer. Then you are having secondary. You are having lightning arrestor, you are having circuit breaker, isolator, circuit breaker, outgoing bus, then you are having circuit breaker, isolator, circuit breaker or bus coupler, and then you are having the outgoing lines and many more. So CT, PTs, other devices, controlling devices, protective systems, all these are available in your conventional substation. So if I ask you to prepare a list of substational equipments, you will have the big list of equipments, right? So substation is an integral part of the power system, what we know. It links between the generating station and transmission system, distribution system and the load points. So voltage level at transmission level and voltage level at distribution level, we know that are different. Electrical power flow, it is in between from generating power plant and consumer, which passes through the several substations as we have discussed. The substation automation, it is the integration or it is the existing substation devices and new network infrastructure. By integrating primary devices with network secondary devices, the substation can perform automatic industrial tasks such as data acquisition and device control and event recording units. So substation upgradation or substation automation or smart substation, what we have need to do. So in substation automation, upgradation and optimization of secondary equipments, that is associated with the smart grid. So these secondary equipments with power system equipment such as measuring units, signals, relaying controls, automation units and remote terminal units, so RTUs, they are provided. So combined electronic, telecommunication, signal processing technology enable substation automation. Then it integrates the automatic power monitoring, measuring, controlling and protection of the equipment used in the power generation, distribution and dispatch. Then in this particular a complete intelligent system that can be installed of function, integration, structure, computerization and a display based on the monitoring and smart management. So smart substation is a key component of the smart grid. As far as smart grid is concerned, at present smart substations are mainly based on the IEC means International Electric Commission 61850 standards. That is the standard laid down by IEC for smart substation, and the conditions are mentioned over there. What is to be there in a smart substation. So this which uses particularly 3 layers of 2 networks. This particular three layers of two networks are in smart substation. All primary devices, that is conventional power system devices, are upgraded as intelligent devices, means compatible with the intelligent devices. All secondary devices have been networked and substation operation management have been automated. So you, by doing all these three, you may have unattended substation. So that is the concept where you may not have the operator for operating the substation. Entire substation will be smart substation, will completely do its function based on these all particular devices, intelligent devices incorporated, of controlling, putting on and off, and even maintaining the devices, substational devices in the system. Okay. So what is layout of the smart substation, or what particularly the layout of smart substation? The secondary system what we have, that this system, the smart substation adopts three-tier two network structure. So three layers refers to station control layer, bay layer, and process layer. So the two networks refers to station control network and process layer network. So this five means three tier 2 network, that is a smart substation adopter. So what are these three tier? So station control layer. Station control layer, it is a station control layer composed of host and operator. So it is a telecontrol communication device, a network communication record analysis system, and other various secondary functional devices in the station, and provides man-machine contact interface for operating personnel. So the station control layer realizes the monitoring, controlling, alarming, informing, information exchange, and all other things of entire substation, including bay level equipment and process level equipment, right? So it collects and manages the related electrical quantity, parameter, protection signals, operational information. It is also monitoring and control the center of the entire smart substation, and it is responsible for communication with remote control units or RTUs. Upload all the informations required by the control as per the figure referred below. Figure it is given to you. So what we have, especially the station control layer. So this particular layer, it is also explained with the figure. So you are having all. So this is station bus, this is process bus. So this is what smart devices, keep in mind. Control center or control, you may have two-way communication. So you may have operational system, you may have engineering station, you may have gateway, you may have GPS. All these are working with GPS. It is very important that time it is synchronized as per GPS. That is very important. Then space or bay layer, you may have protection control, then process layer, conventional CT, current transformer, voltage transformer, transducers, electronic CT, VT, circuit breakers. So these are the process layers. Okay, this is process bus. This is station bus. Protection and control devices. So what you are having? The control center, all data you may have control over here. So what is the particular station control layer? Station control layer first. This is what we have discussed, first layer. Any doubt regarding this? What is station control layer? Operational, engineering station, gateway, timing, control data. space bus layer, space bay layer. In space bay layer, you are having generally composed of secondary devices. These devices are control devices like relaying control, like protection control, protection plus control relaying control and protection devices separately. So you may have particularly measuring devices, control devices, energy meter devices, relay protection devices, centralized processing devices. The space device can collect data at one particular interval, or can affect the operation of primary devices of interval and realize the transmission data signals and control signals with remote parts. So separation of layer composed of several secondary subsystems has certain degree of independency, and even in the case of losing protection with network of the station control, the normal operation on-site monitoring function of bay level equipments can still be guaranteed. So this is what especially the control and protection devices, space layer, so bay layer. And then third is a process layer. The process layer that includes the primary devices such as main transformer, switches, circuit breakers, isolators, as well as smart units, smart terminals associated with all devices. They are compared with conventional substations. Most of the obvious changes are made in the structure of smart substation in case of emergence of the process in regarding the process layer. The process layer connects primary device and secondary device through intelligent components, intelligent terminals and merging units. It is a main role in assistant to the supporting primary devices. So electronic transformers, merging units, intelligent terminals, online monitoring devices are related to the auxiliary equipments which acts on functions related to the primary equipment, such as collecting the and sending the real-time operation data, monitoring and managing the equipment operations status, receiving and executing the remote control commands, and all this. So this is what the third layer, process layer. Any doubt regarding this? All these are divided into three layers: station control layer, space layer, and process layer. These are all smart controlling devices classified or divided into three layers. That is what I told you. Okay. Station control layer, that is outer layer. Outer layer means controlling the inside the station and outside the station. Okay. So communication is from station inside and outside also. Then protection. So this is only the smart devices. These are only the smart devices. Okay. This is as per the GPS. Means if you have any particular circuit breaker is to be operated because of, so data is available over here at control center. A particular feeder is overloading, need to be operated. So data is available over control center. So here two-way gateway, you may have engineering station is there operating. So you are having the particular what we can say judgmental station. Here intelligent units will take a judgment that this circuit breaker is to be operated. So command is given to the bay layer, that is protection and control device, to operate the circuit breaker, because the information is available with control center from this, that this circuit breaker is to be operated to isolate the feeder which is overloaded or which is faulty. So like this. Similarly, auto reclosing also takes place. Okay. J. Mansa